Maayong adlaw. My name is Gaff and I'm going to open my parcel that I received today, which has the newest Nikkor Z DX lens, the 24mm 1.7 lens. I'm going to tell you a little about this lens in this video, but the information I will be saying will be coming from the Nikon's official website. I have not taken out this lens to the street as of date, so I cannot really say anything which directly comes from my experience. With this 24mm 1.7 lens, you'll get fast, sharp, amazing results in up close and a great low light performance. Designed for vibrant everyday photography, it's compact and versatile. This lens, attached to your Nikon Z DX camera, you'll achieve a 35mm perspective that gives you superb framing capabilities. For technical specifications, this is a DX Nikon Z mount. Its focal length is 24mm, and again, it gives you around 35mm on your DX camera. The maximum aperture would be 1.7. The minimum aperture would be 11. The lens construction is 9 elements in 8 groups, including 2 aspherical elements. The angle of view of this lens on your DX camera is 61 degrees. And there is a rear focusing system inside the camera. The minimum focus distance is actually 0.18 meter or 0.59 feet. The maximum reproduction ratio is 0.19 times. There is 7 diaphragm blades, and there is a filter attachment, which is the 46mm. It is approximately 135 grams, and it has autofocus, and it also has a manual focusing option, and it is supplied with a lens cap and a rear cap and a lens hood. I will be producing another video about my review on this lens, but I have to take it to the streets and take some pictures and see what I think about it.